Hey friends, welcome back. And today we are going to discussing about our new topic that is depends on tag in our jobs. Okay. And previous in Azure DevOps we saw about how we can able to create a simple jobs and how we can able to hit our pipelines, and also we saw about how to create our free Azure DevOps account and how we can able to get the parallel execution in Azure DevOps, how we can able to raise the request. Those are all the information we saw in the past, right? Now also we are going to create one more called that is a depends on. Why it depends on with the job? Basically, what will happen in real time? Okay, whenever dev team is completed their coding and they can able to test for unit testing, right? For that unit testing is passed, then only we can able to go for QA team to do for manual testing or automation testing, whatever it is. Okay, if that like in a pi stage and UAT and prod. Okay, these are the four different kind of. This particular flow is based upon the company to company. There is a variations with there. Okay, and the unit testing is passed, then we need to do for QA Pi environment. And the Pi environment, if it is work, then we can able to go for stage. In the stage also work the stability. Then we can able to go for UAT. If UAT is also perfect, then we can able to go for prod. Right? This is the way we need to do. But while if you are not create any dependency in these particular pipelines, what will happen whenever you hit, it will hit for parallel. Okay, it will not wait for any dependency for that particular job to be finished. Okay, and this moment we can able to use for depends on tag. That depends on tag, what will happen, it will creates a dependency in a previous build, which is a, before running that particular one, right? That it will create for depends. If that your dev having for unit testing, that unit testing build is passed, then we can able to move for, we can start for QA environment to deployment. If the QA environment also perfect, there is no issue and all, then we can able to go for stage. The stage also nothing is there, then we can able to go for UAT. UAT is also perfect, then we can able to go for prod. Okay, like this we can able to create for our dependency. There is no limit for that. Even you can able to create for more jobs to dependency. How we can able to create and how it will be there. Okay, this we can able to see now. Okay, in the previous we have done for this particular scripting creation, right? Now we are going to create for dependency. How the dependency will work for now? Here is basically the dependency. There is a tag called depends on. Okay, that tag is basically we need to, this is the job one. Okay, this job two, and job two place you need to, in the last you need to enter and take from here and depends on. Okay, depends on which job you need to do. Job one. Job one. For this job we are going to create for dependency, and also we can able to create for another dependency called here job 3. Okay, and I'm going to create for job 3 dependency, and also here I'm going to create for job 1 only. Okay, I'll show you the difference and another, like how we can able to add for second job for the dependency also. Okay, and here I can create for 3. Okay, now you can see job 1 and job 1 is dependence on, there are two jobs depends on job 1 only. Okay, now I'm going to say validate and save. If my script is perfect, there is no issue and you can able to run it. Like that we are going to say. Okay, and here there is a scripting echo hello world is there, right? You can able to change the name if you want, depend based upon your dependency, and choose for this part directly master branch and saving this one. Okay, now I saved and I'm going to run it. Okay, now run this one. Okay, now we started. Now you can see the jobs are in a queue mode. Okay, we can wait for some couple of seconds. When job 1 is completed, then job 2 and job 3 both will be triggered in the same time, because both are in depending on job 1. Okay, sometimes it will take more and sometimes it will take less time to hit for the job. Now job 1 is completed and job 2 also. Sometimes what will happen, automatically it will hit. So 6 seconds it takes to finished. Uh, Now I'll hit it here and you can see the job is going to hit it. The agent request is not running because all the potential now it is started. See, some parallel execution issue because it is taking more time. That's why it is. Sometimes what will happen, it will parallelly execute one time and it will give you for complete execution. And this is like some parallel execution system issue actually. See these managing parallel jobs, right? This is the one latest code running purpose that Unix it is taking for that. Okay, because of that only it is taking more time for jobs creation and execution. Otherwise, we can able to get it for this kind of things happening. That moment we need to do for different uh, systems to pick and run. Okay, then only it will work as expected. Okay, and that also we can see in the later video session how we can able to put different environments like systems we can able how we can able to that also we can able to see in the next video sessions and all. Okay, and now we can see for the completion, right? Even we can able to create for two multiple cases, like even we can able to run for now Azure pipelines YAML file we are going to create. Now we can create it only for job 1 dependency, right? Even we can able to create for job 3 dependency also. Like the three more dependency also we can able to create. How means just we can hit it here. Okay. And here we can mention for job 4. Okay. And job here I'm going to creating for job 1 dependency and job 2 dependency and job 3 dependency. Now my jobs are completely depending on 3 jobs. Okay. And even you can create for here job for scripting. Okay. And we can able to save and commit the code. Okay. This will commit into our master report. Okay. We can save and committing and running this particular script again here. Now it is started for 4. Okay, like this we can able to create for each dependency whether the code is committed into our master repo or not. We can able to see it. Just we need to go for GitHub location, and this is the DevOps master, and here you can able to see the pipeline it is committed and just now. Okay, and even you can able to see here it will start. It will take some couple of minutes and it will hit it sometimes, like because now some parallel execution because so many people are running that moment. Maybe they are testing free, right? That moment maybe it will take some time to hit for that particular agent and all checking for agent. Now agent is available and the job is started for running. Okay, and it's a you can able to Windows, and this is the information we can able to get it. And once it is completed, even we can able to check for complete view log raw logs. Okay, if you click that you can here see agent is presented and the machine it is they are given for this is the machine and this is my operating system. And if you expand this operating system UTP and these are Linux related stuff. Okay, and you can able to see that is finalized and it is started, and you can able to see for the logs how it is started and how it is running and everything we can able to see in the raw logs. Okay, but it will take time because parallel execution it will take because parallelly we need to because it is giving for only one parallel system. That's why it is taking for me for showing for parallel dependency one. But the same one I'll cover for another video session also to how we can able to choose for Linux and Mac and Windows to run for different environment. That also we can see in the later video sessions. Okay, this also will complete. We'll wait for some more time. So it is checking now. Now Git version is available and everything is available. Command line also. Now checkout is started. Now job 4 is started now. See job 4 is trying to start. If you check again here, still the job is going to get for some agent to run for the system. Okay. Once it is get, this also will be pass because it will check for first the priority to check these three jobs are passed or not. If that pass, then it will start for potentially it will find for some system is presented or not those things, and again it will start for execution. Okay, these are the logs we can able to get from that particular job. Okay, and this is all about for our jobs running and using for depends on. Okay, next video session again we can able to see for our job. Okay, and you see the agent also now get it. Okay, and if the script is trying to run now, it will pass automatically, don't worry. Okay, we'll see in a next video session. Thank you.